So good day guys, it's my diary style. Today I'm with the beautiful model Jane. We're going to do a beach photo shoots with the Godox Parabolic softbox. Jane, I just want you to stand here and I just want you to relax.
Because it's 11:30 a.m. It's pretty much midday, so to have an easy start, I just place the model under the shade instead of under the harsh, overhead sunlight.
Damn, it looks good already. Just make sure you just put a foot on it. Just make sure it doesn't fall.
So here's the new toy I have, the Godox Parabolic 88 Reflector, which has this particular look, which is very different from the softbox or umbrella. I'll share more of my thoughts on this in the future videos.
It's really good. I feel like we can go home now. Let me show you what I'm doing and.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, it's already looking good.
Yeah.
Just grab the left hand, just grab this. Perfect. And the right hand just extends a bit so I can see more of your arms. Perfect. Do you want to try to point your toe towards me? Point your right toe towards me? Yeah, like your body is pointing towards me. Like your leg is pointing towards me, and your upper body is looking the other way. Yeah, perfect. And open your legs up a bit, see if that works. Perfect, great, really good. I think done.
Yeah, awesome.
Nice. Really good. The quality is it's really nice.
Yeah.
Really good. Try to bring the orange around your face because I'm shooting. Yeah. Perfect. Just stand here. Yeah, over here. Yeah. Yeah. Just sit there, relax, and I'll.
Because the model is wearing pink swimwear, so I thought have this green moss, which forms a complementary color palette, will be really nice and pleasant to the eyes. But later on, I find the black-white image is more classic, so I convert the image into black-white, which I'm going to show you guys later.
Okay, perfect. Are we talking?
To comply the YouTube policy, I have to crop the video and the photo a bit, but you guys can find the full set of image on my Instagram.
Oh my god.
It's really good, eh?
Oh my god.
We'll have lots of good ones from here. I reckon. I'll show you the photo. You can cut in the photo later when we have a coffee.
Look at the expressions.
It's maybe just here. Can I try to stay under the shade? Perfect. Sorry.
No, you're right.
Maybe it's... Yeah, nice. try to look down and fix your, yeah, let's see if that works. Oh, nice. Oh, I like it. We can't back up the lights anymore. Yeah.
Back?
Yeah. Maybe, sorry, just maybe, maybe stand this, there, yeah. Yeah, yeah, perfect. Face me, yeah. Can you look up, see if there's any light patches? Can I get some light patches over your face? See? Yeah. No, just look up. Yeah, that's it. Just fix your hair. Yeah, fix your hair. Right, perfect. Oh, perfect. Fix your. Look up, fix your. Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. That was nice. Yeah, yeah. That was my bad. Sorry. And now try your hair.
Why?
Yeah.
So after I finished the safe shots under the shade, I decided to put her under the harsh sun. The sun is quite harsh. You see the, her eye area is completely dark. So I have to mix that with flash. I quite enjoy this, mixing of the harsh lights with flash sort of scenario because I find this have authenticity of the moments in it rather than look too studio. Does it make sense?
Go here. Yeah, where the light shade is. Yeah, so it's. Okay, so go low. No, go towards her. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. All right, great. Yeah, I think that's good enough.
Yeah, okay.
Step backwards a bit. Yeah, perfect. Let's have a look. I think its tongues are better. Let me double check. Oh, nice. I'll tell ya, you're going to love this. I have a feeling. Ready? Oh, no, that's really good. Wait. Yeah, walk shots first. I think that's too far. You probably have to come somewhere here. Yeah, perfect. No, I was talking to Manny, not you.
Oh.
I usually leave the water shots at the end of the photo shoots because the big wave could mess up with her body as well as the hair. Here's the scenario. I just get her to walk into water because I have lots of beautiful shots already, and I consider this usually as last parts of the photo shoots.
Perfect. Look back towards me and smile. Yeah, that's really good.
I hope you guys enjoyed the BTS. I'll try to upload a video every single week. So make sure you subscribe and like my channel.
Alright, if you like Jenny's photo, just make sure you follow her on her Instagram. This is your My Diary Style. I will see you the next time.